2012, the number of smartphones in the U.S. grew to outnumber traditional devices with over 123 million people using smartphones. When you add in tablets, netbooks, and other data devices that connect to mobile networks, bandwidth demands have continued to grow at an unprecedented rate. The Cisco Visual Networking Index states that by 2017, global mobile data traffic will reach 11.2 exabytes per month, growing 13-fold from 2012 to 2017. Mobile video will represent 66% of all mobile data traffic by 2017. The popularity of smartphones is driving an upgrade to the mobile backhaul network. Originally, backhaul was carried over DS1 twisted pair copper, providing 10 to 15 megabits to support 2G and 3G services. Today, backhaul is being built over fiber optic networks in order to provide the 100 to 200 megabits required to carry 4G services. And in just a few years, full-rate GigE will be needed. Let's take a look at the future of backhaul networks and see how Fujitsu can help you to build a network that meets the growing needs of today and prepares for what is to come in the future. Macro cell towers need to backhaul their traffic to the mobile switching center. Lower capacity rural cell towers using microwave transport are aggregated at the macro cell towers, creating hub cell sites. As usage continues to grow, additional capacity and range will need to be added to the existing macro cell towers, and this will be done using small cells. Small cells include femto, pico, metro, and micro cells. These cells can be connected to the macro cell tower by either a CPRI interface or Ethernet. The connection from the small cell to the macro cell is known as the front haul. The front haul will result in greater capacity transported over the backhaul to the MSC. With access to dark fiber, the front haul can be built inexpensively using FlashWave 7120 CWDM. Because so much traffic is now being carried over the backhaul, the transport layer must be a fault-tolerant solution with 5 nines of availability. That is, having the ability to switch over in sub-50 millisecond rates upon a card or network fiber failure. By placing a FlashWave CDS at the cell tower and a FlashWave 9500 at the MSC, you will have an MEF-certified end-to-end solution for fiber-fed, all-Ethernet backhaul with the needed 5 nines of reliability. Advanced Traffic Management provides guaranteed bandwidth with dynamic allocation, allowing for additional oversubscription if needed, for smart, efficient capacity management. And while you may not need oversubscription today, you'll have the tools that you need to meet future demands. If you need to maintain your existing DS1 infrastructure and add Ethernet service delivery for 4G backhaul, you can use the FlashWave 4100 ES. Let's take a look at a common application being used today. A fiber ring topology has been built between the higher demand cell sites and the MSC. A G8031 ring is quickly and easily provisioned between the CDS at the cell sites and the 9500 at the MSC using NetSmart 1500. The G8031 protection domain provides an end-to-end working and protect path with sub-50 millisecond protection. EVCs are diversely provisioned over the network. For dual EVC networks, you provision all of your even EVCs using the protection domain with the working traffic on one side and the protect traffic on the other. Then, you provision all of your odd EVCs with the working and protect traffic in the opposite direction than the even EVCs. This maximizes your bandwidth while still providing full protection. At layer 3, the cell sites and the MSC routers use the even and odd paths for their protection. Provisioning EVCs, OVCs, Ethernet tunnels, and protection domains is a simple and easy task using NetSmart 1500. You work with a topology-like view, set the attributes of the endpoints, select the path you want the traffic to take, and NetSmart 1500 does the rest. It's that simple. As you build your network, you will need to be sure that you are building a reliable system that is fault-tolerant with the capacity for today and the expandability to meet your needs in the future. Fujitsu has a proven history of providing products that provide the highest level of quality and delivers the most reliable service. Fujitsu, shaping tomorrow with you.